In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and manage inventory tracking in QuickBooks Online effectively. Making sure your inventory is accurately tracked is crucial for keeping your business running smoothly and efficiently. So let's dive in and take it step by step. First, you'll want to start by turning on inventory tracking in your QuickBooks Online account. Begin by logging into your account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the gear icon. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Account and Settings. This is where you customize many important features of QuickBooks to best suit your business needs. Now, navigate to the Sales tab. We need to focus on the Products and Services section here. You'll spot an Edit icon, which resembles a pencil, and that's what you need to click on next. As you do this, look for the option labeled Track Inventory Quantity on Hand and switch it on. Once you've enabled this option, make sure you hit Save and then Done. This ensures that your changes are securely stored in the system, enabling you to start tracking your inventory effectively. Once inventory tracking is turned on, the next step is to add your inventory items, complete with their opening quantities. Head over to the left menu and click on Sales, then select Products and Services. This is where you will manage all your inventory items. Click on New and choose Inventory Item from the list that appears. Here, you'll enter essential details such as the item name, SKU, which is optional but can help with further item identification, and any other relevant information for the item. Next, input the initial quantity on hand. This reflects your opening balance for this inventory item. Think about the date you'd like to start tracking your inventory. Commonly, this would be your company's start date. Enter this date in the As of Date field. The system typically provides default selections for the inventory asset account, income account, and expense account, but ensure they align with your accounting preferences. When all this information is inputted to your satisfaction, click Save and Close. This action finalizes your inventory item entry in QuickBooks. For your inventory setup to be comprehensive, you'll need to repeat this process for each inventory item your business holds, entering each one's respective opening quantity and as of date. This ensures accurate tracking moving forward. Once all your inventory items are entered, take a moment to review them. Navigate again to Sales, Products, and Services to observe the current quantities on hand. This is a good time to run some reports. I suggest starting with the Inventory Valuation Summary. This report will help you confirm that your opening balances in QuickBooks match the actual quantities you have on hand, bringing peace of mind that your numbers are spot on. By taking the time to set up your inventory in QuickBooks Online accurately, you're establishing a foundation for better business management. Thanks for watching and happy tracking.